The endocrine system consists of glands and organs that produce and secrete hormones. These hormones regulate various bodily functions, such as growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Here is an overview of the major endocrine organs and their functions. 1. Hypothalamus. Location: brain, below the thalamus. Functions: the hypothalamus links the nervous system to the endocrine system via the pituitary gland. It regulates the release of hormones from the pituitary gland by secreting, releasing, and inhibiting hormones. Key hormones: thyrotropin-releasing hormone, gonadotropin-releasing hormone, corticotropin-releasing hormone, growth hormone-releasing hormone, somatostatin, dopamine. 2. Pituitary gland. Location: base of the brain, in the sella turcica. Functions: often called the master gland, it regulates other endocrine glands. Key hormones: anterior pituitary, growth hormone, prolactin, adrenocorticotropic hormone, thyroid-stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, follicle-stimulating hormone, posterior pituitary, oxytocin, antidiuretic hormone. 3. Thyroid gland. Location: neck in front of the trachea. Functions: regulates metabolism, growth, and development. Key hormones: thyroxine, triiodothyronine, calcitonin. 4. Parathyroid glands. Location: posterior surface of the thyroid gland. Functions: regulates calcium and phosphate balance in the blood. Key hormone: parathyroid hormone. 5. Adrenal glands. Location: on top of each kidney. Functions: produce hormones involved in stress response, metabolism, and electrolyte balance. Key hormones: adrenal cortex, cortisol, aldosterone, androgens, adrenal medulla, epinephrine, norepinephrine. 6. Pancreas. Location: behind the stomach. Functions: regulates blood glucose levels. Key hormones: insulin, glucagon, somatostatin. 7. Gonads. Ovaries and testes. Location: pelvic cavity, ovaries in females, scrotum, testes in males. Functions: produce sex hormones involved in reproduction and secondary sexual characteristics. Key hormones: ovaries, estrogen, progesterone, testes, testosterone. 8. Pineal gland. Location: brain near the center. Functions: regulates circadian rhythms. Key hormone: melatonin. 9. Thymus. Location: upper anterior chest behind the sternum. Functions: important for immune function, particularly during early life. Key hormone: thymosin,